Has Ryan Vairnig amachs the Headbout in AFLW, but is a dulling rail to Ella nor a Hyla Vorna gan Hinge. And Duke of Forna Nuch and Kinga Fefe and Duke of Forna Shanavona who hen him out of dough.
The Ulster Gunangol Yvonne Bonner as Niamh Kelly as Mayo, Banchach and Mua Adelaide Crows or Richmond as he's Bucka, Gabor and Tabla.
Kelly hits Hatchard. Does the team thing again. Top of the goal square. Kelly got hands to it. Last line of defence is Sheeran. Kick smothered.
McLaughlin with that trademark sidestep. The run and gun. A couple of bounces inside 50.
The Ear Captain McLaughlin, Agus a Foreign, Gold Coast Suns, Rowag, West Coast Eagles as Ashley McCarthy, Wushid, Nichani, Fix the Shay.
On a terrific day for the Gold Coast Suns, the third highest score ever in AFLW history.
Chodja Orla O'Dwyer, Le Bua Moore, Brisbane Lions, or Port Adelaide, Le Cool, August Kudu.
It's on the left towards home, and it snuck it through. Brisbane with a couple early.
Yeah, you just feel like Brisbane are out muscling them at the moment. They're just really up in their groove every time they get the footy. But Port just need to maybe play a little bit of tempo as we round out this quarter.
Dunn gets the hand pass out, but here's Anderson for Brisbane. And send it back to Kathy Spark, who bombs it towards the goal square. Is it going to bounce through? It will! Another goal to Brisbane.
Just inside the 50, but too far from home, you'd think. Opens up the angle. Dangerous spot. Davidson again is doing whatever she wants inside 50.
Renana Geelong Cats, Rochas, Lua Reached, Ashley Maloney, Harbardov, August V, Chunker Moore, Tanya Kennedy, Aaron Glifford, and the Sydney Swans. For Julia Sullivan as Rachel Kearns, Portach, Gliffishaw, Hama.
Just slaps it towards goal. Maloney, this might work out. It does. But now we know what happens if it does hit the fig tree. Ash Maloney like a pro. Kennedy. Almost every time she gets the footy, she just wants to charge through the tackle. McDonald in the end. Friswell back to Cairns and inside 50. Maloney. Geelong go on to win 10-8, 68 to 5-11, 41.
The Aileen Gilroy's Anya McDonough Harbour reached and Tachtanshaw, Cool and Dinnucka with the Hawthorn Hawks, as Buoka and the Western Bulldogs, Carrickashay, Zurchani.
Anya McDonough. The goal last week against the Bombers. Steers that one through, and the Hawks get the first goal of the second term. Ball up quickly. Lucas Rod has already kicked one. Underground handball was clever to Gilroy, who finishes off. The Hawks are going to record their first victory of the season. It means the world to them. They had to do it the hard way. They come away winners by 7 points.
The Anya Tai, Joanne Craig, Orla Lalives, Emmy Mulholland, Luke Feckalach, and the Fremantle Dockers, Achniroshid Magalore, go Collingwood, Lenora Sarah Rose, Ashling Sheridan, Hunyashichan, and Brew, or Hootsgadera.
Razzle looks for the body, can protect the drop zone. Fist from Veria, thumped by Strom, rode by Rowe. Magnificent! Front spot, mark not paid. Stolen off O'Driscoll, given to Sheridan, tumbles one forward, somehow in space. Morris for her first AFLW goal. To Wheelstra, who just needs to tow this home. Tangle of feet. Sheridan did well on the line. Tie marks in front of Porter. Can flinged it out. Campbell, air swing. Then tackled Bowers. Out of the ruck goes Lally. And it's a successful foray forward.
Bhí Sinead Goldrick Black Cleags, Glohin Mackin Ardwacha, Baintach le Melbourne Demons, as Bua Mora Kashud and the GWS Giants.
Mackin inside 50. Tough one for Hore to handle, but she gets on her right and kicks the second in a minute. Eva getting a kick away. Here comes Goldrick. Oh, and they have a player free. And guess who? Trying to tap it on, does so to Sheriff, pops it over the top, looking for Harris, has to get around Parker. Just got the hand pass away. Back to Mackin, who kicks the goal for the D's. They worked that one out nicely.
Níl Coigarn Gulan Dachlifa as do Butaka Gujisha. Tena North Melbourne Kangaroos go board Thramra AFLW Tristov Carlton Nuola le Shaska Puente. Tá Corina Bliana Shakatse Melbourne Demons na Sala Orha, Wuchichin GWS Giants.